Hello everyone. In this video, we will start basic steps for Arduino. Now, step number 1, Scratch installation. Open your browser and type S for A in your URL bar. This takes you to the Scratch for Arduino official website. Now, click on download according to your preferred operating system, for which the setup is to be downloaded. This is the steps: Windows, Mac, Linux, Linux version 1.5, Raspbians. Okay, now your download is started. As save the file in your decided location or download folder. I have already downloaded and installed, so I am not going to this again. Once the download is completed, go to your download folder and Scratch for Arduino. This one. Unzip the file. Open the s4a.exe file. Yes, and proceed the installation steps. Next, I accept the agreement. Next, next, and next. As I already installed it, so I am not installing it. You must install it. I am cancelling it. Okay. Now, step number 2. Installing Arduino IDE. For this, go to your browser and type Arduino in the URL bar. This takes to the Arduino official website. Click software, this, and then downloads. Okay. Next, choose a setup of file compatible according to your system requirements. Like it have different files. Let's Windows installer for the next time, and Windows zip file for non-admin panels, and Linux 32 bits, Linux 64 bits, and so on. Linux ARM 64, Linux ARM 32. Now I am going according to my system Windows installer. As Arduino is open source platform. If you use to contribute for their tremendous efforts and services, you can click contribute and download, and whatever amount you are contributing, it's up to you. And if not, click just download and save the file. As I have already installed it, I am cancelling it. Once the download is completed, open the setup file. Go to this is the setup file Arduino IDE. Yes, and proceed the installation step as I have already installed the version, so I am cancelling it. Proceed with the installation and follow the installation steps. You can also download a software from the Microsoft Store, or you can simply skip by pressing the continue. Complete the installation all steps so that your installation is finished. After completing the installation, next step is go to the Sketch and Sketch for Arduino. Now you have to connect your Scratch with your Arduino IDE. So in order to connect the Sketch for Arduino with the Arduino IDE, you have to install its firmware. Now, step number 3, downloading firmware for the Scratch. Arduino Scratch. First, in Scratch, you will see a window you might notice. Now, let's open Scratch. This is Sketch for Arduino. This is the window, and you will see your Arduino IDE is not connecting Scratch for Arduino. So this is showing the searching board. Okay. Now, for Scratch software to detect and communicate with the Arduino, you need a special set of codes which is called the firmware to be uploaded to the Arduino. First, you have to install the firmware, and then you have to upload this firmware to your Arduino, and it will connect with this Scratch, and this is removed from the window. To download the firmware, open the Sketch for Arduino official website and installing the firmware into your Arduino, and click OK here, and firmware is installed. Once the download is completed, open the file. It will take some time. Click OK. OK. As I have already installed it, so it is defining this. This is the firmware for Arduino. Now in Arduino window, click Tools and then go to the board and select Arduino Uno. As I have already installed, so I am selecting the board Arduino Uno. Okay. Now and select it. As I have Arduino Uno, if you have other boards, then select it. Means Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega ADK, Arduino Micro, Mini, Fio, Bluetooth, Arduino, USB, really pads. Okay. Now, again click tools to go to the port and connect your Arduino with the computer or laptop. Then choose your port. The port number in my computer is COM19 Arduino Uno and it is connected, and it will be varies from computer to computer as many ports show Arduino detected. Now click again, check if Arduino is connected or not. Yes, Arduino is connected. Then now click, this is, if you are writing some code, it is called verify the code. It is uploading code, new code, open some saved code and save the code. Now I am uploading the code. As I click, uploading starts in my Arduino board. This uploads the firmware to the Arduino. Now, after completing this installation, uploading, we will check Sketch for Arduino. Now this window show previously searching Arduino board, and now it is connected with my Arduino board, and these signals are changes. This shows that my Arduino is connected. Okay. Now step number 5. Basic simplest LED blink example with the help of Sketch for Arduino. LED blinking example using Sketch for Arduino. First, open the Sketch for Arduino software. Now, let's take a quick look on various control tabs. This is the control tab. When click, when space bar clicked, when Arduino clicked, wait for second, forever, repeat, broadcast, broadcasting, and when I received, forever, if, and so on. So many tabs. Next is sensing tab for the sensors, motion tab for the movement of the pins, signals, motors, movement of motor to the clockwise, movement of motor to the anti-clockwise, looks, sounds, pen, variables, and operators. In the first thing, we only use the control tab and motion tab. And in further projects and in my further videos, we will working on the other tabs in order to use more, in order to use more controls and signals. Now, first click on the control tab and select the when green flag clicked and select the green flag icon. Click and drag. Do not release it. Just click and hold and then drag it over here. Now, next click and drag place forever loop. This is forever loop. Hold, drag and place over below the when click. Now, follow the entire step and processes as shown on the screen and complete the code. Next, move to the motion tab as it has a built-in LED L. So I am turning it on by digital 13 on, digital 13 off. You can change pin number by the help of this 13, 12, 11, 10. We will discuss these pins on our next videos. Okay, now return back to the control tab and wait 1 second and wait 1 second. Now place LED positive terminal on GND and negative terminal, smaller terminal, longer terminal positive, shorter terminal is negative, and negative terminal on digital 13. Now once you click the green flag, this and this click. the light is turning on and off, and when you click on red button, blinking. In next video we will discuss about circuit diagram, circuit making of blinking LED. Okay, thank you.